Hi there, Zoe Clarke from RosterElf here. Thanks for joining me for a quick guide on implementing auto-rounding rules to keep payroll smooth and simple. How to access auto-rounding settings. Open Payroll from the top menu. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to enter payroll settings. In the modal, select auto-rounding to view and customize the rounding rules that will apply to every shift. How to set rostered rounding rules. Choose the rostered option to keep recorded clock-ins aligned with the published roster. If a team member clocks in within 5 minutes of the scheduled start, the system records the exact rostered time, eliminating small variances. When a clock-in falls outside that 5-minute window, RosterElf rounds it to the nearest 5-minute increment. For example, 9:11 a.m. becomes 9:10 a.m. These rules ensure consistent times across staff and shifts, reducing manual edits during payroll approval. How to set clock-in-out rounding rules. Choose the clock-in-out option when you want a little more flexibility before rounding kicks in. If a team member clocks in within 10 minutes of the rostered start, RosterElf keeps the exact clock-in time on the record. Once the clock-in is more than 10 minutes early or late, the system rounds it to the nearest 5-minute increment. For example, 9:14 a.m. becomes 9:15 a.m. This approach gives staff leeway while still keeping payroll data tidy and consistent. That's it from me today. If you have any questions, our support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering!